Ang magkano nagi kasuwag usurpation?
Usurpation.
Oh.
Si...
Isa pa, Ruben Padilla, papriso na to.
Sabi kaso ng Ruben Padilla nga.
Ito. Kaya pa, sige pa. Bunggo pa de.
Bunggo.
Bunggo. Oh. So pila na lang. Matatalag 18.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the clubhouse. I've got a big surprise for you.
Disney Junior's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus.
I can't wait to see ya.
Monday mornings on Disney Channel.
I think I'm more of a land mammal. Brace for impact! Whoa.
If we're going into that jungle, we need to suit up for the job. Whatever this island throws at us, we'll be prepared.
We are so not prepared! Run! I am running! I'm a bulldog! This is as fast as I can go!
This summer,
Dino Island is the greatest discovery in the world.
I'm Rex. Why don't you let me show you around? Yeah! Welcome to my home sweet home. Whoa! It doesn't have a big screen TV or Wi-Fi.
Ah,
That's just my iCloud. He's always watching.
This island has the biggest diamond mine in the world.
come here, beautiful.
When in doubt, we blast it!
That's a volcano! You're going to destroy the island! We need all the help we can get!
Witness a big screen event
Stay cool, little doggy.
of prehistoric proportions.
We've got an island saved. Who's with us? What was that? It's my stomach. Those baby dinosaurs ate all my pup treats. Oh, come on!
no dino's too big, no pup's too small.
I can do this.
Paw Patrol, the Dino Movie.
No fair! I want a dinosaur BFF. Best friends forever. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Ah, okay, stop, never mind.
Ang mga tinututukang balita at istorya sa #1 newscast sa bansa. Hatid ng dekalibreng anchors at hosts ng GMA Integrated News. Mel Tiangco, Vicky Morales, Emil Sumangil. Kasama sina Iya, Kuya Kim, Martin, at ang buong puwersa ng GMA Integrated News. Team 24 Oras. Reporting for duty. Weeknight, 6:30 p.m.
Dumagdag na ang BRP Diego Silang sa mga barko ng Philippine Navy na magpapatrolya at magtatanggol sa soberanya ng bansa sa oras na kailangan. May habang 118 meters at bigat na 3,200 tons ang pinakabagong guided missile frigate ng Navy. Sa pagkomisyon ng frigate kanina, meron ng 4 na guided missile frigates ang bansa na armado ng ship-to-ship cruise missiles, torpedoes at surface-to-air missiles.
This will project also to the world that the Philippines could stand alone, first and foremost on our own, as we secure and protect our maritime domain. At the same time, we also welcome the support of other like-minded nations when it comes to support for international law.
Ang mga bagong frigate ng bansa ang madalas kasama sa mga multilateral maritime cooperative activity. Katuwang ang Philippine Coast Guard at Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources o BFAR, ang mga frigate din ang patuloy na nagpapatrolya sa Baho de Masinloc at iba pang parte ng Philippine Archipelago. Ang mga frigate din ang tagabantay sa mga Chinese warship na pumapasok sa EEZ ng Pilipinas na sa huling monitoring ng Philippine Navy ay umabot daw sa bilang na 19 nitong Nobyembre.
The AFP extended its operational reach to cover the entire EEZ the extended continental shelf, and even beyond. It will not come cheap, it will not come easy, but this is what an armed force is designed for, to protect a country all the way up to its maritime domain.
2 pang frigates mula Korea ang nakatakdang bilhin ng Philippine Navy, habang 6 na offshore patrol vessels mula rin sa Korea ang hinihintay na ma-deliver. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Chino Gaston Nakatutok, 24 oras.